My name's Gareth, I'm 31 and I'm originally from Llangollen but now live in Cardiff. Yeah, so the first thing I do every morning is check Time Hop, which shows you everything you've done on that day in years gone by. So it shows you photos you've taken, social media updates, but every year since you've had that data alive. It's incredible. I moved to Cardiff in 2007 and started in uni, but I dropped out after a year and found it really difficult to find work in the recession. And after a couple of years of doing a lot of jobs I didn't want to do, I decided it'd be a good idea to start a business, and that's where ICE came from. And the idea was about creating a community of entrepreneurs doing really great things. The thing I love about ICE is that I'm always surrounded by really inspiring people, and it makes going to work on a Monday morning not a chore. I feel like my greatest accomplishment to date is now being involved in a lot of conversations about how we structure support for entrepreneurs and how we structure support for innovation and how we can help more young people in Wales to feel like they can be involved in much more inspiring careers. So I quite like that. I feel like Cardiff at the moment is in a really exciting moment. It feels like there's always something really exciting going on. We get a calibre of events that you wouldn't get in many other cities, in Europe maybe if not in the world. So I think for a city of its size, it punches well above its weight on a cultural side. And I think that there's a younger community of people with fresh new ideas who are being given the power and the ability to do something about that. I think we all vote with the future in mind. We all spend our time talking about political decisions, and if we're not involved in that conversation one way or another, then really we shouldn't be airing our opinions.